much big, but if you when that big, that's gonna be like this size, and you pull it, and that's gonna be this size. I will show you how do you put the bullets in. These are the funnels. If you do like this, that just means wrong. Wrong. It points this way. The ash need to point this way. You must don't put like that. Then the bullet will go little this. So you push this and you put it in. You push this and you put it in. And you push this, put it in. You push this, you put it in. And how do you out the bullets? You do like this. Push this speed. Don't do it slow. That could be stuck in. If you do the speed. Oh yeah, I forgot something. And these are the looker. We must look at that. That's where that's gonna hit. Sorry. If you want to fix it, I normally fix it, but you can fix it like this. This one needs to go to the last. This needs to go to the last. And this one needs to go to the front. And you can't put it only 2 times. I'm gonna hit to the that. This is the lock. This means lock to this. You do this and that will be chosen. You don't want to pick anymore. Just shoot it when it's in. When it's out. And these 2 are the bullets, small bullets. We put it to shoot. These are the strong. These are the strong ones. These are the painted one because small is so painty. But that stop painty. That hurt. Just hurt. If you want to fix it in, you're not doing this. That will not fix it. This will be happened. You must this. And you put it in here and you choose it. If you want to unfree this, we do this. No. Do this. If you want to look inside, that's show that happened. Now we are in the park, so we're gonna try this gun now. Let's see. I'm gonna hit. Sorry guys, this one not go all the way there. Now this is going. Now, if you hear the sound, that means this is empty. Now we must get this and pick it up and put it on this one. Do you see this spring? So that we pull all the things up. And when we are in the park, we find hazelnuts. Yeah. What do squirrels? We have more to shoot. These bullets are made with plastic sponge. Okay, this is the end now. Bye bye, see you later.